Yo, we're outside again. Okay, like, share, comment, subscribe. And yeah, it's night time, man. Bit of a nighttime thing still. What time is it? 22 minutes past 9 in the night. So we're gonna do a massive circle. Well, not even a massive circle. We're just gonna ride from here back over to North Birmingham. Are we gonna do Soho Road or Heathfield Road or Aston Cross? Sorry, Villa Cross. Or which way are we gonna go? Which way are we gonna go? Which way are we gonna go? You know what? Let me go this way. So yeah. Right, let's see if we can get around this. So man, let's see what's going on Villa Cross, Lozells Road at 20 past 9 at night. I mean, a while ago we were just down by Small Leaf, and it was kind of busy. Like, why is it so busy on a Sunday night? Like, I don't get it. Something must be going on, or is that just how it is in general? Oh, man. So we're going to go down here. Remember, Bling used to be up these ways all the while. Well, I used to see Bling on him channel. With the one brother Adam that used to be sleeping at the bus stops and that. So only for push bikes. Oh, it's a push bike shop, listen. Landlord's paid £1,200 plus per month, guaranteed rent. Right, you have a property to sell, property to rent. You know, say it's HMO settings, isn't it? I believe. Yo, man is looking P. Let's go down Heathfield Road. I remember back in the day, man, I used to check my one of my herbal doctor, my herbal pharmacy. If you know, you know. Down these ways. All the while, man. It seems quite quiet, to be fair. I think for the most part, you know, when it comes to the ends, yeah, most of the ends are like quiet until it's not quiet. You know the way there, like you don't see nothing at all, nothing, and then boom, you look for the news, something bad. You know what I mean? Like, people think that, like, you go to the ends and that, yeah, it's just like, I don't know, like some kind of madness carnival on roadside all the while, and it's not necessarily that. I mean, look, you're looking at it now, it's 25 past 9, it's dark, and it's quiet, isn't it? There's nothing really going on. I mean, obviously, back up there, up by Villa Cross here, there's a bag of man just hanging outside of places and that. And I'll be honest, you know, listen, if you're a guy that's just hanging outside them place, just hanging out on the road, man, and you ain't getting no money as well on top of it, yeah, you lost, man. You lost. You know what I mean? Louder hanging out thing, man. Get busy, man. Find something to do. Something constructive, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, man. They pity them seeders catch up outside our bookies and just outside our cafes and them thing there. Like, yeah, you need to find something to do, man. Like, seriously. crazy. If I start doing that, man, I'm gone. I'm out of here, mate. You know what I'm saying? Because that's no good, man. You know what I'm saying? Waste of skill set, waste of potential. Oh, for flip's sake, man. Come on. Ugh. They could have told me that from early, man. What the hell? These guys think they can just lock off-road and don't tell me nothing. What's wrong with them? You can't be locking off-road and you don't tell me. You get me? You're supposed to tell me from quay up, sir. You get me? From quay up, sir. They're supposed to say Brum bike and the road is closed down there, so I beg you go the other way. But instead they wait till you get right up to it and it's in road closed. Unless I wasn't paying attention, but yeah, man. Yeah, man, I feel like the roads are a bit kind of busy for a Sunday night, man. I don't know, maybe everyone's just coming from their family's house for food or something. Maybe it's that. But it'll be late still. I smell a whiff of piss or something, man. You know, like the outside toilets. Yo. So, which way am I gonna go? Oh, this way. But yeah, family, listen. I hope you enjoyed this little bit, you know, this little bit of visual. Just a slight bit of commentary, you know, driving through like Villa Cross and that. But yeah, don't forget, family, like, share, comment, subscribe. And make sure, please, make sure you actually like turn on the notifications as well. Because I feel like some people don't have the notifications on, so they don't see the videos pop up and that, man. But other than that, guys, we out.